Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ADV Sudeep. Today we'll be taking our X7 for a service. Just look at the way this car unlock itself. This is the welcome lights. They look pretty cool on this car. And that's the carpet light over there, which you can see in designs. These are the laser LEDs, like the laser headlamps which came with the car. And so now I'll be taking my car to BMW Navneet Motors because the service had to be done. So the service is actually at 13,000 kilometers, but we have already done 10,500 kilometers. 10,500 kilometers. So it's better to get the service done at this point of time because there's another long trip coming soon. So we'll be going and getting our car serviced. Look at the crystal levers over here. This is the gear knob, this is the drive selector, uh, this is the menu selector, and these are the driving modes over here. I know it's pretty dark here, but we have to just manage because my phone cannot shoot at low light. And these are the mood light, ambient light, and this is the display. It's very easy to use, very tactile. The feedback is superb. And right now we are at comfort mode. You can see here when it shows red, it's comfort, and when it becomes a bit grayish with this is the sport display, this is the comfort, this is the eco display. So in city I always drive at eco, but let's have a listen to the cold start of this vehicle. This sounds pretty loud because it's a V6 petrol inline 6 petrol engine, not a V6. It's an inline 6 petrol engine. Just listen to it, the way it growls. That's it for now. I'll be shooting on. Right now we have reached Electronic City. So we'll be going a bit front, we'll take U-turn, and again we have to come a bit back because the showroom is somewhere in between towards the right hand side. So that's the only way to get there. And on top of that, I don't know why people just keep on honking. What's wrong with this person? अपने लेन पे चलो ना, इतना क्या उछल रहे हो? So we'll be taking a U-turn from here. Another 16 seconds left at the signal. So we'll take a U-turn over here and then we'll head. So this is the place where I can show you the demo of sports mode. The sports mode on this car is an absolute thriller, but then you have to be careful because this is the most powerful mode in this car. You can turn down the traction control and stuff, but this will become even more deadly because people who are not used to the power, they won't be able to control the car at all the times, so it will be a bit difficult for them. But still, I have launched this car couple of times, so I don't face that issue generally. Okay, so let's go. This car is smooth no matter how much ever you rev this car. The acceleration, the power, like everything has its proper proportions. Like you'll never get bored out of it. I have reached the showroom and now I'll be giving it for a service. I right now picked my car from the showroom, from the service center. Over here, the service was done pretty quickly. I gave my car at morning around 10:30 and by 3 o'clock it was done. I reached here late and the car is serviced very well, and it's still a bit smudgy over here. The watermarks, like the wet cloth which they used, it left few stains. But so how much did I spend on the service? It's 1003 rupees to be exact. And you might be thinking 1000 for a BMW worth so much is pretty less, but let me tell you one thing, that I have already paid the service pack for 10 years, which is worth around 10 lakhs. So if you calculate in that way, I have already paid my service cost before itself, and this 1000 rupees which I have paid today is just for the wash. So in that way, if you consider, it's pretty much okay. And if you ask what and all did they change, they changed the general fluids like engine oil. They topped they did a coolant top up. They checked out brake fluid and all. They did a firmware update. So basically all minor stuff. And what else did I do in extra? So what he was telling me is, I used my car in pretty rough conditions, which I usually do. So I have taken this car far places. So according to him, that my car coolant filter and the AC filter had a lot of dust in it. So what they just did was, they just replaced that. So they didn't even call me for that, but it's okay, because if they would have called me also, it still would have been free for me, so I wouldn't have cared. So I just asked them to get it changed. So that's it for today. This is ADV Sudeep, and do subscribe to my channel, and also like this video if you find the information to be good, and also follow me on Instagram. This is ADV Sudeep signing out.